Alright, here we're given f of x to be 3x squared plus 5x, and we're given g of x to be 6x squared minus 4x plus 5. And we're going to be working with combining functions, so the first thing is to find f plus g of x. And f plus g is just the two functions added together, so I'll write everything down. Let's see here, it'll be 3x squared plus 5x, and then it'll be plus 6x squared minus 4x plus 5. And then, to make it look a little bit better, we'll look for some like terms. So we got 3x squared and 6x squared, so that'll give me 9x squared. We've got 5x minus 4x, so that'll be a positive x, and then we've got just the 5 by itself. So the combined function, if we combine the right things, gives us 9x squared plus x plus 5. Okay? And then we want to find the function value when we plug in 4. So we could do that individually and add them together, or we can plug 4 in. So we'll have 9 times 4 squared plus 4 plus 5. And let me see what this is in the calculator just to be sure. I get 153. Okay. So combining functions, not too difficult in this case.